Hey everyone, in today's tutorial we'll show you how to create your own brush from scratch using Pixelmator Pro. It's a pretty simple process, and once you learn the basics you'll be able to easily create custom brushes yourself. To start, we've created an empty new document. Brush textures are square, so you should create a square document. Ours is 2000 pixels tall and 2000 pixels wide. Now let's create a texture using the star effect. The star effect creates a white star, so for the effect to be visible, the background needs to be black. So first, let's invert the colors of our image layer. To do that, press the F key to choose the effects tool. Next, click Add Effect and apply the invert effect. Now let's add the star. Click Add Effect once more and apply the star effect. Set its radius to 40 pixels. Then set the cross scale to 2760% and the cross opacity to -250%. Brush textures only use lightness information from an image, and any areas that are white will be transparent and any areas that are black will be visible. This means that right now the actual star texture will be transparent and all the areas around it will be visible, and we don't want that. So we need to invert the image again. The easiest way to do that is by pressing and holding the Option key, then dragging the invert effect to the top of the effects list, which creates a copy of it. Finally, let's export the texture. In the toolbar, click the Share button and export the image in JPEG format. Now let's open the image in which we'll use the brush and create the brush itself. To start, press the B key to choose the paint tool. Then select the hard basic brush because most of the settings of that brush will work just fine for our custom brush. Click the Advanced Settings disclosure arrow, then simply drag your star texture into the shape image well. The brush we're creating needs to work more like a stamp than a paintbrush, so set the brush spacing to the maximum, 1000%. Next, set the brush color to white. Now let's also save the brush so we can use it at any time in the future. To save the brush, open the Brushes browser, click the plus button at the top, then name the brush Star. Let's also create a new brush collection for this brush. To do that, click New Collection and name it My Brushes. To keep things tidy, let's also drag it to the bottom of the list. Finally, simply drag and drop the star brush into the new collection. Now, to edit the photo non-destructively, create an empty new layer by clicking the Add Layer button at the top of the layer sidebar. Let's adjust the size of the brush and use it to create a sparkle effect on the earrings. Now let's make the glow a little more realistic. Press the F key to choose the Effects tool, click Add Effect, then choose Gaussian Blur. Next, set its radius to 16 pixels. At the top of the layer sidebar, click the Blending Modes pop-up menu and choose Overlay, then set the opacity to 60%. Now, duplicate this blurred layer. To do that, make sure the top layer is selected, then press the Command-J keyboard shortcut. For the sparkles on this layer to be brighter, set the opacity to 100%, then in the Tool Options pane, lower the Gaussian Blur radius to 5 pixels. And that's it for today. If you have any ideas for any topics you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave us a comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel if you want to be the first to know about future tutorials. And, as always, thanks for watching.